What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the base station Apple Watch edition from Nomad, so stick around. Welcome back, and huge shout out to the professional staff over at Nomad for sending out this product for review. The link to this product will be available in the video description. In terms of the unboxing, as you can see, we get a very nice presentation from Nomad. We have a picture of the product itself, which of course can charge 3 items at once, which is going to be an Apple Watch, a pair of AirPods, so the AirPods 2nd generation or the AirPods Pro, as well as an iPhone. The back of the box gets you more familiar with some of the specific features of this device, one of which being the wireless charging coils, which we will talk more about in a minute. So let's go ahead and get the base station unboxed. Sliding open the packaging and lifting the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with the base station itself as well as a few accessories. So as you can see, first off we have a couple wall plugs for different countries. Next up we get the nice hefty wall plug, and at first I thought, why does it need to be so thick? But I have had wireless chargers in the past get hot on me, so hopefully with this big of a charger it won't happen. And of course we get the base station Apple Watch edition itself. My first impressions and the look and the overall build quality is that I think it looks extremely sleek, and it definitely appears to be very well built. The part of the pad where you're going to be laying your device to charge is very soft. You also get that same soft material where your Apple Watch is going to lie. As you can see on the bottom, we have rubber feet helping to ensure no slipping on a flat surface. And along the interior of the box is instructions on just how to set your devices to ensure they properly charge. Nomad's went ahead and covered all the basics in terms of what you would need in functionality of a wireless charging device. So first off, this is integrated with MiFi certified Apple Watch chargers. So you're not going to have a knockoff charger in there. You have a certified Apple charger to charge your Apple Watch. Also, it does have 3 Qi certified coils at 7.5 watts with a padded leather wireless charging surface allowing you to charge 3 devices at once. You also get LED charging indicators along with an ambient light sensor that dims the LEDs at night. The base station also supports nightstand mode for your Apple Watch. Now this is just an unboxing, overview, and first impressions video. However, I will be doing a full review of this Apple Watch base station, so if you have any questions that you would like for me to answer, please leave them down in the comments section below. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.